Hello YouTube. Here's the Nexus 6 phone I bought on Amazon on eBay. So I just kind of open it up. I got the package in the mail, so I'm trying to open it up, and you guys will be my witness. See what it looks like. All right. Okay, maybe two hands is better. Hold on. Alright, hold on, it's kind of tough to open. It's from Breed Products. That's the company I bought it from. I bought it as refurbished. So I hope it's in good condition. Got it for $209, the 64GB version. So here it is. Alright, let's see. Comes with the charger, the AC outlet. It's not detachable at all. That's okay. I already have a few of these at home, so I don't care. Bam. Alright, I'm just gonna keep it in there. How you turn it on? See, that's how you turn it on. The hell? That I have no idea how to turn it on. The hell is this? Is that a speaker? Let's just leave the protective layer on in. Alright, let's take out the thingy, the charger. Alright, try to open this thing. I thought that it would be able to boot up and load the screen. I mean, turn on, but it didn't turn on. Alright, let's see. Let's plug it in. Let's see if this thing works or not. Alright, let's peel this off. It has a SKU number on it and everything. Back. You guys are my witness. If this thing doesn't turn on, it's a scam. Of course, I got the Nexus 6 64GB version. Alright. $209. Oh, it's charging. The hell are you turning it on? Can't tell if there are scratches on it or not, but it has a protective layer on it already. So far it looks like it's charging, and the phone looked like it's in mint condition so far. I just peeled it from the back. Alright. Oh, you guys gonna love this. Boom. Oh, what the hell? It broke off. Okay, never mind. Let's see. Oh, from the back. No scratches in the back at all. Not that big. It's about the same